大家好. In today's video, we are going to learn the differences between spoken and written Chinese. So, what differences are there? Well, spoken Chinese is often used among close friends or informal situations. Written Chinese is more formal than spoken Chinese. For example, in news articles and business letters, written Chinese would be used. It is useful to know which words are used for casual spoken conversation and which words are used more formally as you progress in your Chinese language learning journey. In this video, you will learn 20 written and spoken Chinese words. Most can be used in both spoken and written purposes, but there are a few that are strictly for written only. 桌子上有很多食物. The spoken Chinese for 食物 is 吃的. 桌子上有很多吃的. So when you're talking to your friend, you can say 有什么吃的 rather than saying 有什么食物. 桌子上有很多饮料. Drinks in written form is 饮料 and the spoken form is 喝的 just like 吃的. 桌子上有很多喝的。请勿在此吸烟。勿 means don't, and it is in the written form and can only be used in the written form. The colloquial or spoken version is 请别在此吸烟。We did a video on 别不要 and 勿. So if you are interested to know more information about the differences, please check out the video. 妻子 wife. When you are introducing your wife in a formal occasion, you should say 妻子 rather than 老婆。让我来介绍，这是我的妻子。You cannot say 让我来介绍，这是我的老婆。这年轻人是谁？ This is a written form for a young man. The colloquial or the spoken version is 这小伙子是谁？这小伙子是谁？ Cooking. The written form for cooking is 烹饪。烹饪。The spoken form is 煮。煮。他喜欢烹饪。他喜欢煮东西。Talking. When a senior is talking to a junior in a more formal situation, you would use 谈话。谈话。But when you are talking to friends, you can use 聊天。聊天。他们在咖啡馆谈话。他们在咖啡馆聊天。Driver's license. The written form is 驾驶执照 and the spoken form is 驾照。他忘了带驾驶执照。他忘了带驾照。Lying. 撒谎 is the written form and spoken form is 讲骗话。撒谎是不对的，讲骗话是不对的。When someone has died or passed away in a formal situation, 逝世 is used rather than 死了。婆婆昨晚逝世了。婆婆昨晚死了。 Especially when you are informing the death of an important person, you don't use 死了, you would say 逝世了. The written form for do is 做, and the spoken form for do is 干. 他们都是做考古的。他们都是干考古的。When talking to your close friend, you can say 你在干什么 rather than saying 你在做什么。Stingy. Are you a stingy person? Stingy in the written form is 吝啬. In the spoken form is 小气。别吝啬，给一些我吃。别小气，给一些我吃。Do you like tofu? Many people know that eating tofu is good for the body. Know in the written form is 知晓 and the spoken form is 知道。很多人知晓豆腐对身体好。很多人知道豆腐对身体好。Do you devote all your time in your career or work? The written form for career is 事业 and the spoken form is 工作。他把所有时间都放在事业上。他把所有时间都放在工作上。Inform. Inform in the written format is 通知。In the spoken format is 告诉。请通知大家会议的时间。请告诉大家会议的时间。Are you afraid to talk to your father? Timid or afraid in the written form is 胆怯. In the spoken form is 胆小。跟爸爸说话时，他总有点胆怯。跟爸爸说话时，他总有点胆小。Has someone invited you to a wedding? Invite in the written form is 邀请。In the spoken form is 请。玛丽邀请大家去她的婚礼。玛丽请大家去她的婚礼。Do you have any debts you need to repay? Repay in the written form is 偿还 and in the spoken form is 还。他偿还了所有的银行贷款。他还了所有的银行贷款。Parents. The written form for parents is 父母。父母 and the spoken form is 爸妈。爸妈。他的父母常陪他看书。他的爸妈常陪他看书。The lake water is very clear. Clear in the written form is 清晰 and the spoken form is 清楚。湖水的倒影清晰得很。湖水的倒影清楚得很。Summary. The 20 written and spoken Chinese we have learned today are 食物吃的饮料喝的物别妻子 老婆，年轻人，小伙子，烹饪，煮，谈话，聊天，驾驶执照，驾照，撒谎，讲骗话，试试，死，做，干，吝啬，小气，知晓，知道，事业，工作，通知，告诉，胆怯，胆小，邀请，请，偿还，还，父母，爸妈，清晰，清楚。希望你们喜欢今天的视频，我们下星期见。